Hey guys, this is Matthew, and today is 16th of August 2025. See, we want that trade right here. And today we'll be trading the volatility 25 index. Touch, no touch. I'm gonna go right back here, and we're on the Smart Trader interface. We're in the Smart Trader interface, and once you log into your trading account, you have to quickly check the. You can see the buy sell indicator right here at work, the snack box right there. So I'm waiting for it to go a little bit more up before I close the trade. For those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. All you have to do is to check the video description on YouTube. So I put $10 there. Check the video description on YouTube to get this indicator for free. It works on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. And for those who haven't gotten a skipper board and the pip stripper board as well, check the video description on YouTube. They are automated and they work on Deriv, and we're also giving away free gifts when you order any of our boards. And for those who already have a trading account and you want to order the indicator, you'll get all our boards for free as well. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So the infos are right here. To get the buy sell indicator, all you have to do is to register for a free trading account using the link in the video description on YouTube, and subscribe to all our channels, the first one, the second one, and the third one. So once you do all that, send an email to the Gmail address here with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account number that you just signed up for. We'll verify the sign up and send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator for $12. Pip stripper board and the top skipper board, the link to order them are in the video description on YouTube. Check the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, here is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. And make sure you subscribe to our channels. The links to subscribe are in the video description on YouTube. So let's get right back at for the business for today. And like I stated earlier, we're trading the volatility 25 index, touch or no touch, and we're using the Smart Trader. So once you log into your trading account, go to Smart Trader, go to v25 index, volatility 25 index. The trade type is touch, no touch. Duration set it to 4 minutes. The barrier offset set it to plus 0.142. This strategy is 100% guaranteed, so I'm staking huge amount for you to be able to make this profit, 3 point something right here. Stake huge amount. So we are going to be clicking on purchase. Once the number, the last 3 digits here is from 100 to 400 and the wall movement is down. You can see it's 55 and the wall movement is down. You can see the position right there. We can see we already won that trade. We already won that trade. So I'm going to explain to you again. You can see the wall movement level here is going down, and the number here must be between 1 to 400. It's going to be that's 110, that's 398. I click on view. It has to be between 1 to 400. It must not exceed 400, and the wall movement must be down. We won that trade right there. We're going to trade again. You can see it's up. You don't trade, and the number here is higher than 400. So when this movement, the edges is right down, and the last digit is between 1 to 400, it can be 102, 200, 250, and the wall movement must be pushing right down. That's when you click on the touch. So we're going to trade again. You can see it's going down, it's going right back up. Don't place any trade, and the number is still up, 339, but it's up. The wall movement is up. 245 is still up. The movement is still up. It has to be going down. 182 is going down. 56 back up again. Don't place the trade. This is going to be our last trade. We're going to drop another strategy today. 81, it is up. Okay, it's going down, but it's 735.85, 495, 725 again. It's going back up. Don't place any trade. It's going down. Up again. It's going down. Make sure the number is between 1 to 400 and it's going down. It's going down by the 6 something. 137. It's going back up. It's down. Let's wait for our number. 766. Back up again. It's down. 619. 604. Going back up. Down 361. You can see right there. I had to wait for a while to place that trade. You can sell at market, but we're going to win regardless, so you don't have to sell. You can see we won that trade right there. So that's going to be it for today. Make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.